Hey friends, YouTube, Google, searching people. So I am remodeling, building out my 2016 Sprinter 3500 170-inch wheelbase. It's cold, it's raining here on North Padron, Texas. Winds blowing probably about 15-20 miles per hour. And it's yucky weather. It sucks. But at least it's not steaming hot. So there's no such thing as perfect weather all the time. So what am I up to today? Let me show you. I've Googled, YouTube. I need to take these door panels off, factory door panels on my Sprinter. So I've Googled, YouTube, and I couldn't find anything. Maybe I put the wrong words in. So there's two back there, one here. This one was all cracked, and you can see I've taken some off. So let me show you how to do it if you're in the process of building out your Sprinter and you want to take the panels off to insulate it. I think that's the only reason why you would take off the panels. Oh, first of all, check out my beautiful windows. On the rear quarter of the panel, got a sliding window up on the top. I gotta figure out, I gotta contact them. There's a metal little thing here. I don't want to scratch it, damage it, but I can't slide the window open. This is a little turn angle aluminum here to keep it locked. So I gotta figure that out. All right. Got a beautiful window here, huge window on the sliding door. Okay, let me get back on the door. So to remove these panels, and I played around with it first. I didn't know any better, but obviously with these little slots, first I tried taking a screwdriver and turn it round and round and pry it open. It didn't do anything. But here's how to do it. So normally when it's installed, it's gonna run in a little channel with the bottom base. So you want to turn it perpendicular to the slot, and it's a little tricky to raise it up little, okay? Raising that little bit gives enough room to take this push pin removal tool. This is a Craftsman and multi-function, but this is one of the handiest tools I found. So turning that perpendicular to the groove gives enough room to slide this in and pry this up, okay? Then slide it on the back side and it's gonna pop off. And let me show you what that looks like. Yeah, these are common fasteners used for non-heavy load type of thing on all vehicles. I find these mostly in the engine compartment to keep wiring, electrical wiring and such attached. So that's how you do it. All right, so again, take the screwdriver and turn that inner part so it's raised, becomes raised a little bit. That was using a flathead screwdriver, or you may be able to take this pry thing, but don't want to damage it where you can't turn it. Then pry it open, pull it up, take it on the backside base, and pop it. There you go. I'm on my way. Then I gotta figure out how to detach this part here. That's gonna be tricky. I'll probably have to break this apart and figure that out. That's how to do it. I couldn't find anything. I hope this is gonna help some of you. Yeah, check this out. So I got installed these 110 outlets, 120, 110. That's got USB-C, USB-A. It's going to be awesome. I got it on the back side of both. All right, that'll come in handy to plug things in. I got a damn lot of wiring, don't I? Yeah. got an outlet that's going to be installed here for microwave. Then it'll come off to the top. For the kitchen counter, I'll have another USB AC outlet on the top. On the bottom, I will have a GFCI, so it's protected because sink is going to go up here somewhere. I've got an outlet that's going to be on the ceiling, and I'll do a surprise video what that's going to be for, but it's going to be awesome. I got another outlet on back there somewhere for another USB charging port and outlet, lighting and such. Okay, enough. But hopefully this video helps you. If it does, and you're van builder, Sprinter van builder, and it helps you, give me a thumbs up and like my video. Sorry for gibberish, I'm cold. I'm going to remove the headliner, insulate the skin up there with the Reflectix and Havlac wool. Cheers, God bless everyone.